Hey guys, I just got 9 needohs and I'm gonna give you a haul and an unboxing. First, we're gonna do the Fab 4. First, I'm gonna start with the glow in the dark mini needoh. Guys, the needoh just popped. Next is this ripple. Next is this swirly needoh. Next is this pink and purple color changing. And next are the 4 fuzz balls. Okay, we're gonna do purple because, as y'all know, purple is my favorite color. This is the Power Wave one. I love the texture. It reminds me of a needoh shaggy ball, and I just love it. Next, we're gonna do the orange one. This is also the Wonder Wave, and I'm just so happy that I found all of these. Oh my gosh. I love the color. The color is so vibrant. Now the blue one. I love how they feel, and the pattern is so. Now the pink one. And also, when I was opening all the other fuzz balls, they would like feel like powdery and like weird, but like they're so satisfying. Okay, last but not least, we have the needoh Niceberg, and this one I'm so excited for. Okay, let's open it. I'm actually so excited. I've been wanting this for so long. So, oh my goodness. It looks so clear. Oh my goodness. It is giant. Oh my goodness. Wait, I love this. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna do a little ASMR of all of my needohs. Okay, that's all for the haul. Bye.